What's good, y'all? Welcome to my channel. I'm Dre. This is Life with Dre. And today we're working on the bike again. I got to come up with a name for the bike too. Put some names down in the comment section if y'all got some good names for the bike. But that being said, I ain't gonna keep talking your ear off. Let's get over here to the bike. All right, I was able to go ahead and pop that off. So you see we got access. Here's the screw, there's the filter. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see if I can one-hand it. Yeah, look like I got it. All right, popping off that wicks. I put the plastic bag to cover the bottom part of the exhaust. All right, put a little thin layer of oil around this lip. Go ahead and just pop it on there. All right, so it says to add a little over 2 quarts. I'm supposed to get it in between those two lines on here. So let's get it. You know what? I'll be back after I fill it up because I'm gonna use both hands. Okay, got it where I want it. It's like right perfect. I'm gonna start it up for a minute, see if anything leak when it get hot, and then if it don't, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together. Neutral. If it's ready. Alright y'all, so that's pretty much it for today's video. As you see, I got the helmet on, the bike is put back together, and finna take it for a little spin. I'm not going far, just going around the apartment, so I don't need full gear or whatever. I'm not finna go fast. I just wanna make sure everything's good. Appreciate y'all watching the video. Y'all make sure if you ride with full gear. Don't listen to me, full gear head to toe. So thank you for watching the video. Y'all be safe out there. I'm out.